Hi, this is Matt in Singapore at the F1 Grand Prix, and the topic of this video is air conditioning. How can you tweak your air conditioning so that it doesn't annoy you? So most people who come from the West to Singapore or to an Asian country, they usually suffer a lot because of the heat, and then they run from outside to a coffee shop or a restaurant, and then they're happy the first 2 minutes because the air conditioning cools you down. But then after 2 minutes, the air conditioning becomes very annoying. Why? Is that because it blasts you constantly with cold air, and that cold air is extremely annoying. It's over the top, it's too much, and it's usually somewhere around 21 to 22 degrees. It's way too cold. So what can you do to make it work for you? Well, you don't have to change the temperature. You don't have to make it so cold. Usually people set the air conditioning on 21, 22. This is not necessary. What you can do instead is use the remote and have a look at this little mode button that allows you to set the aircon on dehumidifier. The dehumidifier, this is what removes the water vapor from the air. And this is very important because the air humidity percentage directly determines how fast you can evaporate water into the air. Well, this is going to help with your natural body cooling system, which is sweat. The sweat on your body is going to evaporate quickly if the humidity level of the air is low. So what are the advantages of doing this? Well, so number one, it doesn't feel as cold. It's more comfortable. Number two, your aircon is going to be more silent. Why? Because as you change it to dehumidifier mode, the fan is going to slow down, and it's going to be much more silent than when it's blowing cold air at full speed. Other advantage is going to use less energy. Why? Because it's less energy consuming to just remove the water from the air rather than change the temperature. There is nothing more energy consuming than changing the temperature of something, either whether you're trying to heat it up or cool it down. So this is the other advantage. You cut on electricity bills. And another advantage is drying clothes. So you often see people putting their clothes outside on the balcony or putting them inside the bathroom. That's not a good idea because the air outside is very humid. The humidity level is higher, therefore it's more difficult to evaporate water. Therefore it's not a good idea to put your clothes outside. They're not going to dry faster, even if there's wind. You would need really direct sunlight for things to change, but even this is difficult. So there is no point putting your clothes outside. If you use an aircon with dehumidifier, air will be dry inside. Just leave your clothes inside your house for half a day and they will dry. So the main factor to evaporate water, it's not wind and it's not direct sunlight. The main factor is the humidity level of the air. This is really what matters. So there are other cool things you can do with your aircon. One is the sensor, the other one is the swing. The sensor is very simple, just switch on the sensor. That means that if no motion is detected after 30 minutes inside the room, then the aircon will automatically switch off. So this is nice at night, and this is also nice if you leave the house and you forget to switch off the aircon to save electricity bills. Second nice feature is the swing. So what is this? This is just going to, okay, this is a little button called swing, and this is just going to make the little vents change position, and this is going to change the direction of the airflow. So this is very nice because rather than getting a constant flow of wind into your face, you're going to get something that feels more like a nice summer breeze because it's going to change a little bit randomly. So it feels much nicer. So those two things, sensor, swing. Take the time to learn how to use the remote control. You will feel better after that, you will save money, and your clothes will dry faster. So your aircon is going to help for air humidity. However, when it comes to air quality, it's not going to help much.